9, 13, 20, 24. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 9 plus 4 equals 13. There are 13 weeks in each of the 4 seasons. There are 13 moon cycles each year. 13 represents the end of a cycle and the rebirth for a new cycle. There are 13 weeks between the equinoxes and solstices. 13 is a power number in nature and in spirit. It is the highest form of the physical plane. It is cosmic energy. It takes you back to the void to create and manifest. So lead with love and compassion. Remain positive in the face of adversity or challenges. Be passionate about your ambitions. Now use the energy to manifest